Tell me, what do you want?
Okay, do you have soft drink?
Soft drink?
Yeah.
I know you are going to request for soft drink. Because men looking at you alone, you are soft. Bele. No problem. See, let me arrange more soft drink for you.
Okay, no problem.
Hey. Smalley, what is it?
I don't know how much next face.
Boy, you promised to excuse us now.
I don't know it's my bad.
Smalley, what is your problem? What is the meaning of all this now? What's the meaning of all this? Are you okay? Eh?
Leave him alone now. Shebi is your younger brother. He's your younger brother now.
Which person younger brother?
Kiriku is your younger brother.
God forbid. Me? This one can never be my younger brother. This thing. He came to meet me and he said he's your younger brother.
He's someone I see on the street and he said he's your younger brother.
Jesus!
This boy younger brother.
Jesus!
Smalley?
Kiriku.
Okay, I don't be anybody younger brother for you. Especially you. I don't be your brother. Okay, I ask my teacher now, let's see.
Who you want to teach small lesson?
You know that's especially that day for that street. I beg you, if you give me. You see my money? What the never? No. You see her?
I don't see any 100 naira.
Nah, I just suspect you. Now you carry them.
So, you know the matter of this. I got the form done, say nice and
Naija, and when you see when you take start to spend money, he himself talk himself now.
On instead, that night, I said, no be small money I spray. 5M now I check once. See you, they use me.
All of they had both, you know what I'm saying? Go. Naija, I believe you now.
Boss, I beg you, give me 100 naira.
Make I give you 100 naira. Why I go give you 100 naira?
I love money.
You be thief dey your eye. You see all these people? Now so that they beg up and down. This night.
They many for this area. They be like they fool this area, so they beg you, they beg. You deal, they could beg you.
Okay, not twice of people. But now they spend money. I got money.
See
That's it. They many not be only this one. They many for this one.
Why do you open your mouth? Sherry, you don't remember that dinner. Tell God to see you again. Make you call your boss woman and make him plan this work. Something wrong tell you. I heard the verse. Yeah, you're the hot. Eh? You're pressing for that like picture. Never fear no. It's the same the hot.
Kiriku. It's you're in my house. Hope there's no problem. How are you?
No. Everywhere they okay, but I'm brother I want to see you.
Your brother?
Yes.
I used to see you walking alone now. Which brother? I don't know you have a brother.
My brother want to do party.
Party?
You say the fair person will go up and decorate.
Decorate with you?
Now I say, you dey here. Now I say, I go call you come. But my brother get money.
And you recommended me?
Yes, he get money.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. But before I carry go, you give me 10,000.
Kiriku, 10,000?
Yes, now.
Is 10,000 and not heavy in your mouth?
Then a business one.
You know I go.
Now level one now.
The brother you're talking about, I don't know him. I don't know the kind of decoration you want me to do. And you're calling 10,000 naira. You're not ready.
I think come to the verse. Any money may you get, give me.
I have 2,000. Will you collect?
You give me.
Wait. Let me go and change. I'm coming.
Give the 2,000 come home.
I'm coming. Wait, let me go.
Come home.
I'm coming.
Go.
The work is done.
That's why I teach you not to small lesson.
Kiriku.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Woman! Sorry, yo.
So when is your birthday?